let's take a look at how to change line color in Squarespace. So on Squarespace, there are lines potentially between sections. You can also add a line block. If you're looking to change the line between your sections, you can actually just go to Edit Section, and then toward the bottom, you're going to see that you have divider check marked. And as you go down a little bit more, you can adjust the shape, the stroke, and the color, as well as the thickness. So you can see here we have a thick line between our sections, and we can quickly adjust that color if we want to kind of change that. Now, if you're trying to adjust the color of an actual line block, so you go to Add Block, you find Line, and we add that out here, and then we can bring that wherever we want, maybe right here under this heading. This color right here is dictated by the section theme color. And so when we are on a section, we can go to Edit Section, and we can go to Colors. And inside of here, the little Edit button or the pencil icon will show you which theme is applied to this section. So there's lots of different section themes that you can have, and then this theme is applied to that section. So when we click on that pencil icon, it pulls open the color themes for this section. And so depending on what you want here, this will edit the line color for any line that's in any section that has this theme applied, or this theme color. So in this case, it's bright number 2. And so as I scroll down here, I'll find line at the bottom. It's a little bit easier to use your browser. Usually it's Command F or Control F. In this case on Safari, I would go to Edit, and then I can go to Find. And then if you find, I'm going to look for the word line. And so I'd type in line up here, I'd find the next one, and then I can see right here that twice I see line. There's so much stuff here, it's hard to find. But right here you can see line color, and we can edit the color for this section. So we can edit between any of our theme colors here in our palette, or we can just do a custom color and do something completely different that's sort of outside of what our theme or palette colors are. And so if I wanted a green line, I could do that. And now any line that's in this section that has bright number 2, we'll scroll back up to the top, so that has this applied to it, those lines will be that color. So that's how you can change line color here on Squarespace.